Hiwin Corporation is a leader in high-precision linear and rotational motion technologies used in building machines for manufacturing automation and scientific test equipment. Linear guideways are used wherever high accuracy, low maintenance, and long-life linear motion products are necessary. Hiwin's linear guideways come in a multitude of preloads and accuracies to service any application. HG is our standard circular arc 4-row rail. EG is our low profile and offers a short block option. WE is wide series and low profile, which makes for high moment ratings. RG is our roller option, which will have increased rigidity and load capacities. Our CG series offers better rolling moment capacity and optional cover strip for rail. And MG is our miniature Gothic arc series. Hiwin offers three main styles of blocks: square, flanged, and low profile. Within those styles, we offer two load types: heavy load and super heavy load. The super heavy load features a longer block, which means higher load ratings. Caged balls and rollers provide quieter, quicker, smoother motion than their non-caged counterparts, typically longer life expectancy, and the ability to travel up to 5 meters per second. For corrosion resistance, we offer stainless steel guideways for miniature series and some HD sizes, thin, dense chromium coating, and several sizes available with proprietary Hiwin high coat. Standard rail length is 4 meters, with some sizes available in 5.6 meters with jointed rails. Multiple levels of dust proofing are available, from dusty environments to woodworking, grinding, even glass and stone cutting. Extend the maintenance life of your guideways tenfold. Standard lubrication interval is 100 kilometers. Hundreds of linear guideways sizes and styles are available in stock in our warehouse in Huntley, Illinois, and ship next day. Other standard models can be shipped in 2 weeks, and custom solutions can be available as quickly as 2 weeks from approval of drawing. Are you ready to speak with an experienced engineer about your specific requirements? Email engineering@hiwin.com. Ready to check pricing and availability? Email quotations@hiwin.com or call us 877-804-4946 Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 Central. Or you can visit our website via the QR code or type www.hiwin.us. Thank you for watching.